Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is my Blue Yeti microphone. This microphone is, I love it. I love this microphone for so many reasons. One of the reasons is that it has great sound. The sound is awesome that it provides for playback or for recording. It's perfect if you're doing YouTube channels, if you're gaming, if you're doing a podcast. This is the perfect microphone. I use it for my YouTube channel and I love it. So it has a couple of settings on the back. This is the one that I love because it is set for me to speak straight into the microphone. Or this is the way I like it for podcasting. So it stands perfectly alone. I don't have to do anything. The base of the microphone has foam rubber on the bottom that allows it just to stand and not move at all. I can adjust the volume for my headsets right in the front. And one thing that I really loved about this Blue Yeti microphone is that it is plug and play. When I first got it, I thought that it was an amazing machine, an amazing product. And then when all I had to do was plug it in, I was totally just blown away. So as you can see, it's USB. As soon as I plug it in, the light tells me that it's on and that it is ready to go. I love my Blue Yeti microphone. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.